I wish to express my frustrations because I went here with questions. I am totally prepared because I was not able to ask questions during the last budget hearing. But the questions remained unanswered, Madam Chair. What is more frustrating, Madam Chair, is that we have a Vice President na nagpa-interview pa po kahapon at ngayon po no-show siya sa budget hearing ng kanyang pong proposed budget for the fiscal year 2025. Ang kini-question ko po dito, Madam Chair, is yung importansya ng pag-a-attend at pag-scrutinize ng budget. I hope in the next year and in the next generation ay hindi na po ito pamarisan at hindi po mangyari sa mga susunod na taon. Another thing, Madam Chair, with the responses from the Commission on Audit, what is apparent is that common in internal bureaucracy that the efforts to streamline the operations were measured but still insufficient. Sa madaling salita po, Madam Chair, nagtayo po ng sariling burokrasya ang ating opisina ng Vice Presidente. Pero tinimbang, ngunit kulang ng Commission on Audit. Having said that, Madam Chair, I move that we defer the deliberation. I move that we defer the termination of the deliberation of the proposed budget of the Office of the Vice President subject to conditions either, number one, reduce the proposed budget of the Office of the Vice President, and number two, place the certain funds on hold until further discussions are held. I so move, Madam Chair.
There's a motion. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Right, so duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is carried.